Why spend hundreds on budgeting apps when you can manage all of your money with Google Sheets for free? I developed a fast, simple method for organizing my money that doesn't require expensive software or a finance degree to understand. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets to get your money organized in 4 easy steps. To start, why Google Sheets, and can you really use it to stay in control of your money? Well, for me, the most frustrating part of managing my finances, especially at the beginning, was finding a simple tool that didn't cost constant money just to use. I didn't need anything fancy. I just needed something accessible to get me started. So I weighed my options and I thought, people use Google Sheets to budget. Plus, it's free. So I'll try that. I started from scratch and attempted a few budgets, and I made some progress. It actually took a few years of hard learning and growth, but I eventually got really good at using spreadsheets to manage my money. Plus, I never need to pay for budgeting software ever again, which is amazing. But how can you use Google Sheets just like me, but not waste the years learning how to do it? Well, the 4 steps I'm going to teach you are the perfect way to get started, and it'll put you miles ahead of everyone else. So, for step number 1, you want to set up your spreadsheet so that you can plan out your income for the month. And then you want to plan out your spending towards various categories. And to save you even more time, you can download the spreadsheet template that I made for you in the description below this video. It already has the setup and the formulas built right in, so you can skip all the technical stuff. The whole idea is to add the income you're expecting to receive, and then put that money towards various spending buckets. Basically, you want the total spending numbers to equal your income number. And then once you've done that, you're ready for step 2. For this step, you just want to log your spending over time. And you don't need to complicate this or spend a lot of time doing it. Just once a day or maybe once every other day. Log on to your bank account, make note of your various spending transactions, and assign a month and category to each. You really don't need anything more than this, just these 4 simple data points. And then, if you do this every few days, it'll take you maybe 5 minutes, so it's really fast and easy. Now, on to step 3. Once you've started tracking, all you have to do now is check to see how much you spent on each category and how much you have left. Just taking a look is going to give you clarity going forward. You can make much more informed decisions because you can see how you're performing in relation to your original plan. You'll be able to tell where you should try to spend less or see where you can spend more. This is what gives you clarity about your money. Finally, for step 4, all you have to do is repeat steps 1 through 3 each month. Just plan out your income and your spending, log your spending transactions every few days, and review your progress. That's really all there is to it. And when you come to the end of the year, just make a copy of the spreadsheet, clear the spending data, reset your plan, and you're good to go. Now, I can hear you saying, this system is great, but what if I want to learn how to make this spreadsheet too? Well, then watch this video next where I'll show you how to build this exact template right in Google Sheets.